Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are very excited. We have a new brand launching in the boutique. Vancouver mother-daughter team, Smash+Tess.
Welcome lovelies. Well, Smash+Tess is in the house. I am so excited, I can tell you. I'm excited for many things. First of all, it's Canadian made.
Yes, yes, in Vancouver.
In Vancouver. And then second of all, the mother-daughter, of course, speaks to us, right? And I think you know where the names come from, right?
Yeah, so I read up on the ladies, and the daughter is Smash, is her, in the brackets, her name. So I'm not sure if that's her nickname.
Must be.
Must be. And the mother is Teresa, and hers is Tess. So it's Smash+Tess.
Oh, I love it.
Sort of like our names are our nicknames, Lousje and Bean. My middle name's Sabina, so I'm the Bean.
But Lousje is my name.
Yeah, but maybe we should be...
It's a Dutch name.
Yes, but with the J-E on the end of Lousje is little one, little loose, right?
Yeah, means little one.
But then I think, ladies, we should change our name to Bean and Lousje because they're Smash+Tess.
Oh my God.
And I know
That's
my
so
grammar
funny.
is never great, ladies. I know Lena is always pointing out to me that I am saying me and my mom, and it's my mom and I. But I'm a little dyslexic and I switch my words around often, so I have to apologize for my grammar.
It's fine.
But anyways, it
comes from your heart. That is the main thing.
That's true. So I think we're going to change the name to Bean and Lousje.
Wow. That was a long time coming. You waited how many years for that? 20? We have an anniversary coming up, lovelies.
Yes, watch out. We are going to have some great things going on in September. We cannot wait.
Yes.
Lots up our sleeves.
Yeah.
Lots of surprises for Lousje.
For me, oh my goodness, Tessa, you have to stop the surprise. She's a surprise. Every day she has a surprise for me. That's true. No, I love it. Keep it coming.
All right. So before we dive into this beautiful box, which you ladies are going to love, some great basics, some key pieces, very comfortable. Another thing about Smash+Tess is they are eco-friendly, eco fabrics. They're very big on slowing down the cycle of fashion. So just, you know, sticking true to basics and core pieces that you wear for years. So less in the landfills, less fast fashion, not following trends. So these are key pieces in here that you're gonna love.
Colors,
which is how we feel too. Yeah, it's wonderful. They're also very size inclusive, so they go up to size, I think, XXX, which is amazing.
From extra small. Can't wait.
All right, but so your outfit, Mama, you are wearing.
Lovely.
I know. That's a great sweater on you. The color.
Yeah, I love
the little gold.
It's beautiful. I should send it to my sister.
Oh, Catharines would love it.
I have to. We're going to show you a picture, lovelies, of my sisters who go to the beach every day. I'm so jealous. I can't stand it because every time they go, they send me pictures, and I'm sitting here, and
you have to stop sending them.
I know.
You have to stop sending them.
Anyway, they look like the most fashionable women on the beach, and they're 84 and 85, and there's a little bus in their town. Think about how perfect this is. It stops at the train station. They get on the bus. It rides to the beach. It's about 20 minutes.
Egmond?
Castricum.
Oh, in Castricum. Okay.
Because they don't want to bike anymore with their electric bikes because it's getting so busy, which is too bad in this small, lovely country. It's getting too busy. And they say there's too many young kids on their phones and biking like crazy. And on their phones. Yeah, it's really. And then you have the fat bikes.
Yeah.
With the fat tires. They go like 80 miles an hour.
Oh my God.
So they feel uncomfortable. And they still have their regular bikes, but it's a little too far. You know, you have to go up that hill.
Yes.
It's a big, the dunes. They have to go up the dunes. So now this bus, it's free, which is very important to Dutch people. It's gratis. So they step in the bus and they go, it drops them off right at the beach. Then they walk for probably an hour. They do a beach walk along the sea.
Oh, it's so beautiful, ladies.
And then they come back, and then the best part, they go on the patio, they're all patios on the beach. And they go and have a rosé and a little croquette or a little sandwich. And then they take the gratis bus back home. Free bus. I'm so jealous, but they each have cancer spots removed from their skin, so they have to be very careful from their face, because they were of that age. Me too. I've been lucky so far. That laid out with baby oil, right, all the time. So anyway, they have to cover their faces. That's why they're wearing these big hats and baseball cap with the big tauntauns. So anyway, let's get on with
All
this.
right.
But I thought it was a nice little story.
Yes, great.
So beautiful together with the navy and the off-white and a little taupey stripe. And then there's a little cold fleck running through it.
Lousje's wearing a small on top. And this is the love linen with the side split here. Beautiful.
Love, love, love linen.
And Lousje has the extra small on.
Yeah, and it's got a beautiful knit waistband. So it's very comfy, and some gorgeous earrings. I mean, how we just walk in the boutique and we go,
it's so
here,
nice.
this, that,
There's so
this,
much.
here.
It's so beautiful.
It's endless.
Yeah.
And
yeah, so I have on all Lousje and Bean, all Canadian made. I wanted to be with our new line here coming. So Lousje and Bean, our A-line tank dress, absolutely beautiful. I have an extra small on, ladies. Nice and fitted on the top. I like that, and then it's flowing out. And then I have on the darling boxy top in the dots.
It's beautiful. Every time I see it,
gorgeous bamboo fabric and some mustard to pop.
Love.
Beautiful.
Love. And what are you wearing today, mister?
Okay, let's get into Smash+Tess here. All right, ladies, here we go. And I'm just digging here. So here is a classic romper. Look at that. Lousje doesn't love rompers, but this is beautiful. Classic black.
Yeah.
I'm going to style that up for you tomorrow, ladies.
I can't wait to see it. I might change my mind.
You might change your mind. It's quite lovely on.
It feels beautiful.
And especially with our motto of layering, it's a great layering piece.
Yeah.
I think Janice Breers, I think you would love this.
Oh my goodness,
yes. Hello, by the way, how are you? But yeah, I think that would be a great piece, great basic piece, layer up all our tops and sweaters. And then here is a classic dress. So this is made in Canada. So they had, I know when I was talking to the woman who reps the line, they have some pieces I know for the fall. Look at how cute is that?
It's beautiful. It's
so
absolutely
bamboo
beautiful.
On the top.
And like I said to you, Tessa, the seamsmanship is so perfect. It's so well done.
Yeah, and pockets.
Yeah. And the design.
This silhouette is very flattering on many sizes.
Flattering.
So we started in a size small, ladies. I'm wearing a size small in this, and we are going up to a double X. But they also have another one here. Look at this.
This is gorgeous.
I know.
That is
beautiful.
Tessa.
And this is like a light French terry at the top,
yeah.
and then a beautiful printed fabric here on the bottom.
Yeah, with a very subdued zebra print.
Yeah, so these dresses, these three here are all Canadian made. So what I was saying earlier was when I was there, the sales rep, so they have some sweaters that they brought in for the fall and some other pieces that they cannot make here.
Yeah.
So they are made overseas, but there's just a few, and we'll make sure we note on this what is. But there
majority is made in Canada.
Yes. So this piece too made in Canada, and this is a romper as well.
Yeah,
nice wide leg.
The French terry, right? It's absolutely gorgeous.
It's just a thicker bamboo.
Yeah.
Viscose, and it's got a really great like a tape here
this
almost,
is double
ladies.
light. Yeah, this
is
very
so it's nice.
Yeah,
it'll be nice and fitted and tight.
I don't know if I would wear this, but a lot of you would.
Well, we'll see. We'll see when we style it up, ladies. Tomorrow we're going to style it up for you, and we'll see how it goes.
I can't wait.
Yeah,
really
it's
excited.
great. But here's their models. We'll show. They have beautiful pictures of these items on, and then of course they did it in this beautiful cream combo as well.
Beautiful.
And I remember trying these on, ladies, when I was buying the line, and this was fitting gorgeous on me. I loved it.
Yeah.
Sleeveless romper, beautiful.
I think they know what they're doing, these ladies.
They do. We're losing Charlie here.
Bye.
There he goes. So, like I was saying, this dress though is made overseas, but
because of this smocking.
This smocking on top.
I remember years ago we were thinking of doing something and we couldn't get it done.
It's almost impossible without the proper machine. But look at how gorgeous this is.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful turquoise color and a nice little teardrop neckline, tie, and you can tie it up or tie it. And then, of course, black, ladies.
Of course.
There we go. And I just want to tie this up because it's really cute.
Yeah. makes a really nice teardrop.
Yeah. So, like
I
I said,
can't wait.
I know. Me and Lousje will be here
excited.
tomorrow, and we're going to style these up for you. But they're all online now. There's great size charts. If you have any questions, please let us know. But yeah, gorgeous. We're so excited to have this line in.
It's nice to have a new line.
It's very exciting.
We get very fired up about.
Fired up.
Yeah, we have beautiful lines.
Yeah, gorgeous. Okay, ladies, well, hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch out on Saturday because me and Lousje, we're going to do a vlog of another area here in Niagara that we love.
Another surprise.
Yes, but watch out tomorrow. We're going to style these up.
Okay, lovelies. Thank you for watching. And as always, keep on smiling.